Fans, welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you. My lovely fans, the end of Amubingo. The end of Yo. You don't finish. Yo no will see end for this one again. People have started speaking. Hey, Yo, ó ti bàjẹ́. I cannot say Juju Ekwensu because Juju Ekwensu have nothing to lose. If you check this whole thing, Juju Ekwensu have nothing to lose. If you like, you drag Juju Ekwensu from today to tomorrow. She is nobody. When you are nobody and nobody recognize you, she have nothing to lose. But her children have a lot to lose in the future. But you see, Juju Ekwensu, she not get anything to lose. She's a selfish woman, a selfish mother that cares only about her kpekus, cares only about herself. She not care about her children. Now her children, Juju Ekwensu children, now they get a lot to lose for future. Especially those girls where she gets. No woman will want make his son associate with those girls' children. Because the eye where they say they look Juju Ekwensu, now they go say they look those girls when she born. They will say their mama where they knock another man for husband house. She have already spoiled the future of her girls' children. She not get anything to lose. But her children have a lot to lose in the future. Yo don't finish. Ó ti bàjẹ́. The people of Enugu, they don't come outside. They don't come, they talk. After they watched the broadcast of Mr. Obasi, after they saw the pains in that man's eye, they say, Mbano, they cannot keep quiet. They are not going to fold their hands and watch this slide by. They say never. They don't go fold their hands and wash all these things without saying anything. They don't they talk, oh. Enugu people don't they talk. Hey. My people, everywhere don't scatter. Everywhere don't scatter. According to the information where they land our table. They say no be today. Night Juju Ekwensu and you start to the dates. No be today. Confirmed from somebody in Enugu where Yul Edochie for rent house for Judy Austin. That is, this whole story started that time when Mr. Obasi they send Juju Ekwensu go school. When Juju Ekwensu they tell Mr. Obasi saying they sleep with a friend, Juju Ekwensu was not sleeping with her friend. She was staying in the house when you rent for her. The people, they talk. Juju Ekwensu they come that time. She don't already they see you for there. They don't already they see you and Juju Ekwensu for there. Before they come surprise, one day, Juju Ekwensu pack a load. They see Juju Ekwensu pack load. Come, she carry buses. Come they stay that house. She carry buses, come. The next thing, they see say she come they stay. She not come they do come and go again. She come they stay permanently. Then, after some time, they come pack, come for that house where they dey. They come go rent another house, bigger one, because that one where Juju Ekwensu dey not big like that. They come go rent another bigger house. When they rent the bigger house, Juju Ekwensu can't go village. He can't go carry her children come. As Juju Ekwensu carry her children come, Juju Ekwensu come put her children for school. That school, when Juju Ekwensu put her children, now yo and Juju Ekwensu, now he travel go village together, two of them. Yo carry Juju Ekwensu for a motor, drive a motor, go village, go carry Mr. Obasi children, put inside a car, drive them, come Enugu. As they reach Enugu, after their 1 week in Enugu, yo Amubingo carry those children for inside a car, carry Juju Ekwensu inside a car, drive those children, register them for school, stand as a father. Hey! Anybody will talk bad of me, Edochie. Anybody wey insult May Edochie, may you never see the sun. May you never see the moon. You know what it means. If you know, you know. If you don't know, it's left for your generation. May you never see the sun and the moon. These people played dirty on May Edochie. You see, Yo and Juju Ekwesu, they can never leave their self. Their secret is too dirty. Their secret is too dirty. You know, say, get her thief and thief go thief rich. Eh? They can never leave their self. The only thing we go make Juju Ekwesu leave Yo. Now make Juju Ekwesu buy Yo. Or make Yo buy Juju Ekwesu. Either that way, to silent one. Because if they leave each other, the dirty secret will go come out, it go shock. Because if you leave Juju Ekwesu go talk. If Juju Ekwesu leave you go talk. Their secret is too dirty. You can carry Juju Ekwesu children, put inside car, go register them for school. After I register them for school, now they go school, go carry them. Now they go pick them. Now they go drop them in the morning. In the morning, you go carry Juju Ekwesu children go school. You go bring them, come back for school. If they get parents meeting, you go stand for parents meeting. Those children were under his care like they are his children. My people, imagine May Edochie, de Lagos. Only she they do business. Only she they work. Only she they run children errand. Only she they take care of her children. This man was busy taking care of Mr. Obasi's children. Abandon his own biological children to May Edochie. While he was busy training mad dog. Yo was training mad dog. Abandon his biological children. Hey! So say, Yo is a man where they flex. Yo they flex way. Now man way be say they carry different women. There is a way God punish such men. They will jam women, where be say they go hook their throats. Juju Ekwesu hook yo throat. Be like bone for yo throat. Juju Ekwesu na be yo kama. Juju Ekwesu na be kama. Not be today start to the Nakademo's different girls. But he read Juju Ekwesu, God use not take disgrace. You know they see the disgrace with their body. As they try to cover and hide everything, God still they expose them. Now the people of Enugu, after they saw the tears of Mr. Obasi, they say all of them don't we know waiting they happen. All of them don't they talk. All of them they don't they talk waiting their eyes see for Enugu. They say Yo was a father, like Yo was a pure father figure to these children. He was taking care of them. He was doing everything. He was doing everything for them. My lovely fans, before I continue, let me welcome you to my wonderful and amazing channel. This is Mero True Life Story. Please, if you're watching my video and you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Or make una subscribe. I beg. God bless you. And to all my wonderful and amazing subscribers, may God Almighty in heaven bless you all massively in Jesus' name. Inshallah. Amen. My lovely fans. Hey! Story plenty. Story plenty. My lovely fans. According to them, they say Yo was calling the daughter where they. Yo they call the daughter where they. Say na his own daughter. But that boy for inside, Yo they call her his stepson. But the girl where they for inside, Yo they call that one a daughter. Una no say I don't fit carry this matter come. When they talk say Juju Ekwesu, it be like say Mr. Obasi need to cross check for the daughter when he dey inside. The boy when dey inside be like say na Mr. Obasi get am. Because according to wetin they talk, they say the girl wey dey for inside, you know they use that girl to dey play. You see that girl, I don't fit tell una two options for here. You see that girl, You see that girl, now you pikin. Or you is Nakademo's that girl. Yes, you know say all this single mother, not hollow. Some single mother, the mistake they make when you have a daughter, if you have a daughter, before you they carry your daughter, they go they restart your life. Think very well. Think very well. Every daughter that comes out of a failed marriage, you need to be very careful with them. Some men, they come into your life. Oh, I love you, I love you. Now your daughter, now be their target. Not you. Your daughter, now be their target. If you leave there for their papa, you don't know what will happen. Some men, they knock their pikin. I lie. I never see papa where they shook hand for pikin yash. Some men, they knock their pikin. If you carry these children, if you give them to their mother, mama will not get sense. We no say he get daughter need to be protected. He go see my way, come, I love you, go follow the man. So now the pikin, that get daughter, now they enter their eye. So be a single mother with a daughter, even with boys. So because these days now we can't know say that even they touch boys journal. Be very careful. Very, very careful. You see, as this matter happen now, you the wash your hands come out. They say he don't know anything. Whereas he has been the one covering everything, all the expenses and everything for these children. This is not coming from Judy. This is not coming from Eko Isuru Masi Mami Water, but from the people of Enugu State. Now then they don't come, they open their mouth, they talk now. The people of Enugu State, this particular woman daughter and Juju Eko Isuru daughter, they were in the same class. The same class. Now she can't expose everything now. Now she can't expose everything. According to her, she say they don't know me Edochie. He said they don't know me Edochie. Nobody even know say you get wife who they call me Edochie. He said they don't know me Edochie. They don't know whether you Edochie get wife who they call me Edochie. The only person where they know na Juju Eko Isuru. You was presenting Juju Eko Isuru like a wife to them. In Enugu. He said they don't know me Edochie. He said you presented Juju Eko Isuru as a wife to them, and that girl as his daughter. He said that the boy for inside, he said they don't say you not too they attached to the boy. He said, but this girl, he said the girl, he said you they call the girl a daughter, and you only want go school, go carry that girl. Now they go school, go carry her. Now they can't drop her for school. Forget everything where you talk, say, oh, this man is interested. Why is he so interested in Mr. Obasi children? Why? Why will a man be dragging another man's daughter? Daughter, we don't get Bobby with her. Release her, no great release her. Or God, wait till they use another man picky they do. Wait till they use until they do. Now, these two options is either you is the father of that girl, or you the Nakademus that girl. Yes. For free, you the Nakademus that girl. They say now, they say everywhere now you they see you and that girl. You go carry that pikin, they go everywhere. Go they carry and go everywhere. The way they do for the girl, no, they do for the boy. And Juju Eko Isuru, they spend for the boy, they take care of the boy. He was taking care of both of them. But you see that girl for inside, it was kind of special to him. According to the Enugu people, that girl was kind of special to you. Which means there is something strange going on. They say no be today they start to. They say no be today. Tete. When they don't start this relationship. Hey God, my lovely fans. This you really betray me, Edochie. This man, you know, see heaven. You no go see heaven. This man is a betrayer. All this why, na Juju Eko Isuru, na you carry for head. So the reason why the Enugu people the verse now is that you said you no get hand for the matter. They say you just they live another life entirely for Enugu. Like this man was just, you know, those men will get two family. But my thought on this is, if I talk now, they'll say I talk. How can the people of Enugu know about this, and the father and mother did not know about it? Now Enugu there, now your papa and mama there. How come they don't know? Because the people of Enugu don't they talk now. Very soon, the whole truth go come out too. because the people of Enugu don't they talk. Let them come and finish the story where they start. Because if we talk now, they'll say una to talk. Let the people of Enugu finish this story. Because now that same Enugu now your papa and mama then they don't know all these things, but the people of Enugu they know. They carry Juju Ekwensu, they go every occasion. 2 of them they go church together. That is how serious it is. Even if they were not sitting together, because Reverend Father no me Edochie. Go sit down for front, Juju Ekwensu go sit down for back with the children. Then they say they pretend say they be Christian. Go sit down for back with the children. And that's a church now papa they go. And when they close, you go carry Juju Ekwensu and the children. Carry them, all of them go still go as. They were living together. They were living like husband and wife, like family. Not be today starts. Not be today. You and Juju Ekwensu don't they live together before she go carry her children come. That is, these people play me Edochie dirty. Enugu people, they verse. They verse. They say, before Amadio I strike you. Better tell Juju Ekwensu may carry Mr. Obasi children give her. Which one be you wash and wash which hand? Wash which hand exactly? Were you not the one where they carry that daughter up and down? They carry the daughter, they go everywhere. They do everything for the daughter. Were you not standing beside her? Were you not standing for her? How come automatically now you don't have a hand? They say before Amadio will strike you. Carry Mr. Obasi children give her. One dash shall never end. You see this matter, now this social media, now everything will come aside. All the things where they do for me Edochie back, God will bring God to light. All the things. That one where they say Juju Ekwensu started knocking you 2012. Story for the gods. Enugu people don't come outside though. When we thought we've heard it all. This is the downfall of yo. Just imagine this man where would they look like responsible man, where we think a better person. When they come out, they talk. We think a better person. We don't know saying a very no sensibility man. Just imagine what they come out for person mouth. Just imagine what you do to his family. Me Edochie just did Lagos. Only she with those children. Me Edochie was a married single mother. A married single mother. Not being the door they do Juju Ekwensu now. I think you don't concentrate on Goldie Lizzie. Why they go abandon her for Abuja? What did she do me Edochie? Not being she they reap. She is not just reaping it because she scattered the home of me Edochie. She is reaping it because she destroyed the home of me Edochie. She not scatter and she destroy her. What did destroy without no repair? Child, my people, one dash shall never end though. The people of Enugu say enough evidence stay with them. Enough evidence of you taking care of Mr. Obasi's children as if they were his own, especially the daughter. So Juju Ekwensu, you carry girl pikin, give man your boyfriend, make they carry and they go school. You go carry and come back. You was carrying your children go school, carry they come back. Who can they carry you for Lagos? Who can they carry your children for Lagos they go school? Juju Ekwensu, Amadio I go strike you. Amadio I go strike you. Mami water wey you deserve now I go buy you. You are a very wicked soul. You are a very wicked woman. Your heart is very dirty. So you carry your daughter, give mommy, they carry your children, give you go they carry your children, go school in the morning. You go pick them. Go tell you why say they movie location. Whereas this man not they movie location. In the art movie. Every afternoon, now after school, now you they go pick your children. Why he own your own biological children in Lagos? You see how wicked you are. You see how wicked you are. You carry woman pikin, give you may they go drop for school. That your daughter go check her. If they never use them to touch in yash. This you way I dey everywhere. Way everything on that skirt. Everything on that skirt. Your eye go soon clear. The day when your daughter will still confess to you, your eye go soon clear. Una never see anything. Una never see anything. I been I make una the eye the girl make it not see papa. Make the girl no go tell papa waiting here I see for una house. Why una no want give that girl to Mr. Obasi? Is it that there is something you people did to that girl? Because some single mothers, they don't know that their daughter need to be protected from their partner. A man is so interested and investing in your daughter, and you think he love your daughter. Now he born her. Not be say the man never born before he get pikin. He's so interested. Why is he so interested? You know, poor eye for ground. I just love them. Love kini con when their papa see their life. Igbo men wey we know, original Igbo men wey we know, they not go try am. There is motive for everything. Mona let those children go see Mr. Obasi. Mona let her Daisy tell Mr. Obasi wetin una do for the house. There is something we una do that girl wey make una dey hide am, make she no expose una. Yeah, mama. Now only your own very selfish woman. You no even care. You just carry your daughter, give person like you, may they carry go school. The man can't take her for contract. And you think it's love. A days ago, still expose now. By the time papa finish, when that girl reach papa hand, now you can't tell papa how na take this gwangwara. The girl will come talk her own story. This story just started. We never even start. This is Mr. Obasi. Just wait, make Mr. Obasi set his eyes on those children. Now go hear wetin her days ago tell una. This was why they talk so. Make una mark am. Una go hear. A man is so invested in your daughter. Not be the way they carry your daughter, not be so they carry your son. You did there, you dey open it. You don't even think. Why is this man so interested? You don't even think. Hey, my people, wonder shall never end. Wonder shall never end. Leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up. God bless you.